the main way that Tympa Health can help is probably by providing GPs with confidence. So I do a lot of hearing health now, using the Tympa Health system, but many of my GP colleagues look a bit shocked that I do microsuction, thinking it's some kind of highly complicated and difficult procedure. So I think that one of the biggest barriers is fear of entry. So I think probably spreading the word about how simple it can be when you're appropriately trained, but also having done this for quite a while now, I see the effects for my patients on a regular basis. So I think also spreading the word about how much of an impact it can have on your individual patients would probably be the most important thing. So I have a number of stories. The most recent was just a few weeks ago. I had a young patient who was otherwise well, who had a really severe inner ear infection to the point that they were vomiting. And I did at the time discuss that with an ENT specialist as well for some advice. I assessed the ear at the time using the Tympa Health system and was able to decide that it was an inner ear infection with a perforated eardrum. And I gave her appropriate treatment and antibiotics, but the most useful thing was with the Tympa Health system, I was able to review the eardrum on a weekly basis afterwards and share with the patient the images during the clinic appointment, which I think invested them much more in the process and gave them the confidence to see the improvement, which is not something I would have been able to do with a traditional otoscope.